Doc Mountain here, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually top up your trading account on Taka Live, the coins trading account, using ePay. So let's open Taka. So now when you open Taka, the first page that you're going to see is that of the people who are actually live, and the tab which is active is the one which is in the bottom left corner. So what you do is you activate the tab in the bottom right corner, and then you straight away go to coin seller. When you're in, make sure that you highlight the trading tab, and then straight away hit recharge. And then depending on how much you have in your ePay, choose how many coins you're going to recharge with. Is it 20? Is it $50? Is it 200? So we're gonna go by one, and then from here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna punch in the number of dollars which are there in the ePay account. So they're saying the integer should be a multiple of 10. You don't need to punch in 25, you don't need to punch in 16, 26, 35. It has to be a multiple of 10. 10, 30, 20, 50, 60, 100, in that order. So let's punch in a 20 for the sake of just making it a demo. So you see, let me show you. If I punch in 22, there is a red text at the bottom that's showing that we can't actually top up with 26. So we punch in a 20, then we hit recharge. Okay, we click recharge, and then we need to choose the method by which we are going to recharge our account. Are we going to use USDT or ePay? We want to use ePay. So we click recharge now, and boom, it brings us to this point. So here you have to punch in the email address with which you actually registered an account on ePay. So I'm gonna punch in that. You can punch in yours, don't choose mine. Okay, so after you've punched in the password, you will actually see this window. Just slide, if you're able to see that shape, slide it into the other shape so that it fits in.